staying strong, healthy, and youthful. By subscribing, liking, and ringing, you can greatly support our channel and help us produce more content that you'll love. Hello and welcome to the Longevity Lifestyle YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about the scientific evidence behind turmeric's efficacy for longevity and provide tips on how to incorporate it into your cooking. Turmeric is a commonly used spice in many dishes, particularly in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisine. It has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine and traditional Eastern medicine as an anti-inflammatory and digestive aid. Recently, there has been growing interest in turmeric's potential health benefits, including its ability to promote longevity. What is turmeric? Turmeric is a bright yellow-orange spice that is derived from the curcuma longa plant, which is native to South Asia. It is a member of the ginger family and has a warm, bitter taste. Turmeric is commonly used in curries, but it can also be used to flavor rice, soups, and other dishes. It is often used as a natural food coloring as well. The active ingredient in turmeric is a compound called curcumin. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. It has been shown to have a range of health benefits, including reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's disease. The efficacy of turmeric for longevity. There is growing scientific evidence to support the use of turmeric for longevity. Here are some of the ways that turmeric may promote longevity. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural response of the immune system to infection or injury. However, chronic inflammation can lead to a range of health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Curcumin has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help to reduce the risk of these chronic diseases. Antioxidant properties. Oxidative stress is a process that occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. Free radicals are molecules that can damage cells, and antioxidants are molecules that neutralize free radicals. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant, which may help to protect against oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Brain health. Curcumin has been shown to have neuroprotective properties, which may help to protect against age-related cognitive decline and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease. Heart health. Curcumin has been shown to have a range of benefits for heart health, including reducing inflammation, improving endothelial function, and reducing the risk of heart disease. Immune system health. Curcumin has been shown to have immunomodulatory properties, which means that it can help to regulate the immune system. This may help to reduce the risk of autoimmune diseases and other immune-related disorders. How to use turmeric in cooking. Turmeric is a versatile spice that can be used in a range of dishes. Here are some tips for using turmeric in your cooking. Curry. Turmeric is a key ingredient in curry dishes. It adds a warm, earthy flavor and a bright yellow color to the dish. Try adding turmeric to your favorite curry recipe for a flavorful and healthy meal. Rice. Turmeric can be used to flavor rice dishes. Simply add a pinch of turmeric to the rice before cooking for a beautiful yellow color and a subtle flavor. Soups. Turmeric can be added to soups for a warming flavor and added health benefits. Try adding turmeric to chicken soup or vegetable soup for an extra boost of flavor. Smoothies. Turmeric can be added to smoothies for a healthy and flavorful drink. Try blending turmeric with coconut milk, pineapple, and banana for a delicious tropical smoothie. Tea. Turmeric tea is a popular drink in many cultures. To make turmeric tea, simply simmer a teaspoon of ground turmeric in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Add honey or lemon for flavor if desired. Precautions. While turmeric is generally safe for consumption, there are some precautions to keep in mind. Allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to turmeric. If you experience itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing after consuming turmeric, seek medical attention immediately. Interactions with medications. Turmeric may interact with certain medications, including blood thinners and drugs that reduce stomach acid. If you are taking medication, speak to your doctor before adding turmeric to your diet. Digestive issues. Consuming large amounts of turmeric may cause digestive issues such as diarrhea and nausea. If you experience these symptoms after consuming turmeric, reduce your intake or stop consuming it altogether. Conclusion. Turmeric is a powerful spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Its active ingredient, curcumin, has been shown to have a range of health benefits, including promoting longevity. By incorporating turmeric into your cooking, you can enjoy its health benefits while adding flavor to your favorite dishes. However, it is important to be aware of the precautions and potential side effects associated with consuming turmeric, and to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful. I recommend that you watch all the videos I upload from the beginning to gain a comprehensive understanding of the topics covered. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. See you in the next one.